What's up guys, this is Shan Haider, and in this video we are going to do a benchmarking test comparison between POCO F4 GT, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and Xiaomi 12 smartphones. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra we got here in this video is Exynos version with 8GB RAM. The Xiaomi 12 also got 8GB RAM and we got 12GB RAM on POCO F4 GT. So let's see that which device is going to be better in the benchmarking test score result and in our daily usage as well. So these are the benchmarking applications we got today. We have already performed all of these and we will just have a quick look on the test score result. So first of all, let's start with AnTuTu benchmark. So POCO F4 GT scored 1,05,108, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra scored 930,720 and Xiaomi 12 scored 981,796. So the winner is POCO F4 GT, after that Xiaomi 12 and then Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. If we go to the individual test score result, here you can compare the result of CPU, GPU, memory and UX, and as you can see that in CPU, memory and UX, performance of POCO F4 GT is the best. In GPU it is Xiaomi 12. So you can see that in CPU, memory and UX, performance of POCO F4 GT is better compared to S22 Ultra and Xiaomi 12, and that's why its overall score is better compared to other two smartphones as well. You can also get the idea that in terms of GPU performance, the Exynos version of Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is weaker compared to POCO F4 GT and Xiaomi 12. So let's go back from here and now let's have a look on the next test, and that's 3D Mark. So in 3D Mark, we have performed the Wildlife and Wildlife Extreme test. So in Wildlife, POCO F4 GT scored 9,687, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra scored 7,484 and Xiaomi 12 scored 10,035. And in Wildlife Extreme, POCO F4 GT scored 2,591, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra scored 2,190 and Xiaomi 12 scored 2,619. So this time the winner is Xiaomi 12 in both Wildlife and Wildlife Extreme test. After that it is POCO F4 GT, and once again at the third spot it's Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. And it seems that in the case of Xiaomi 12, the smaller screen is contributing in the overall better GPU performance, helping in achieving more points compared to POCO F4 GT that is running on the same GPU. So first position, second position and third position. Now let's go back from here and it's time for the last test for today, and that's Geekbench 5. So in Geekbench 5, POCO F4 GT scored 1,222 in single core and 3,784 in multi-core. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra scored 1,167 in single core and 3,723 in multi-core, and Xiaomi 12 scored 1,203 in single core and 3,702 in multi-core. So once again, this time the winner is POCO F4 GT. After that, between Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and Xiaomi 12, in multi-core performance of Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is better, and in single core performance of Xiaomi 12 is better. But if we compare the difference in points, then in single core Xiaomi 12 is scoring 36 points more, while in multi-core Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is scoring just 21 points more compared to Xiaomi 12. So if we consider the overall performance of these three smartphones, then we can consider that POCO F4 GT is the best performing device in terms of benchmarking score result. After that it is Xiaomi 12 and then Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, especially because the device we got is the Exynos version, and maybe if we had the Snapdragon variant then it would be as good as these two other smartphones, the POCO F4 GT and Xiaomi 12. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.